Welcome to Jumia Academy. In this video, we will talk about Jumia promotions and how to join them. Jumia promotions, like the Jumia Anniversary Campaign and Jumia Black Friday, are your opportunity to have your products appear in better positions on the Jumia website and app. You can see the available campaigns on the Vendor Center homepage and join the campaign that suits your products. You can also find these promotions by open the menu Promotions, choose the Open filter. Choose the campaign that fits your product category, and here you can see the end registration date. Please review the discount and product criteria, as well as the campaign's scheduled start and end dates. The products eligible for the campaign are shown here, and you can include them by selecting the discount percentage and the promo stock. Select the products you want to include and click Submit. Your products appear here, and you can remove them from the campaign before the registration deadline. This is the first way to join. And you have another way, which is to add your products in bulk by giving them the same discount percentage and adjusting the promo stock for each product in this way, and then click Submit. Increase your visibility on Jumia by participating in our promotions. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, contact the seller support team. Stay tuned for more videos from Jumia Academy.